Ram Hurricane 2025. We just cut the mid muffler off. We left the resonators, we left everything. We're gonna do some testing for you guys, for your viewing pleasure. First one we're gonna start with is a muffler delete. So that's what it sounds like with just a muffler delete. Give it gas. What do you think of that? That's no muffler. All right, go ahead, start putting mufflers on. Start it up. That's the Super 10 I showed you earlier. Give it gas. That's not bad. All right, next, we're gonna do Black Widow. Here we go. Angry Housewife, go ahead. Give it gas. That's Black Widow, Angry Housewife, 6-inch. Again. Okay, next, we're gonna do the Flowmaster Super 44. Here we go. Give it gas. Which one you like out of both? The Super 10 or the no muffler? Super 10. Put the Super 10 back on. Give it gas. You like that one? You want to hear the other ones again just to be on the safe side? Go ahead, do it. Okay, another satisfied customer. Go ahead. Black Widow, go ahead. Give it gas. And then the last one, real quick. Leave it running. Go ahead. Super 10 it is? Okay. You guys let me know what you like. Did you like the Super 10, the Black Widow, or the Super 44? He went with the Super 10. So let me show you the difference on the inside. Super 10 has one baffle right in the center. Black Widow has little baffles on each side with a hole. And then, ow, I hit my head. And the Super 44 has a baffle in the middle and chambers. So you guys can see them here and here. Okay, with the center, basically a Super 10 with 2 extra chambers on each side. Okay, but you guys also got to factor in when we're done, we're still keeping the resonators on. We're not taking those off. So that will tame the sound about 20% and help with drone cancellation. So if you guys don't want drone, make sure you leave these resonators on. Okay, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it once it's all done. All right, guys, 2025 Ram Hurricane. So they don't really take off, but it's okay. They've got a lot of power for what they are. Inline-6 too, so it's like 400 horsepower. Anyways, let me stop rambling. Let me show you guys what's going on. Let me show you guys what we did. So it's got the 2 pipes, because, you know, there's the converters up there. Goes to the side into a single Y pipe, then 3-inch pipe. Then what we did is put a Flowmaster Super 10, part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then 2 tailpipes out the back, 1 on each side. And then the resonators are still intact. We did not take them off. He didn't want too much drone. He just wanted a little bit of tone. He's like, I couldn't hear it at all before. And then finished it off with the tips, the factory tips. They look good on it already, so we left them alone. There you go. Ram Hurricane with Flowmaster Super 10 for your viewing pleasure. We tested 3 other mufflers on it, so we'll have them in the description too. And there's the muffler that was on it. It's a single in, dual out. That's how they come. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. All right, guys, here we go. Ram Hurricane with Flowmaster Super 10 stock resonators. That's exactly what not too much. You just want to hear it when you start it, you know? It's not bad, actually. It's like the third set of Flowmaster Super 10s I think we've done. Everybody that we put them on, they love them. Let you guys, here's the sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 88.5. Again? What I want you guys to tell me is, which one did you guys like the sounds when we tested them? Let me know in the comments. Again? All right, go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. One more. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ram Hurricane with Flowmaster Super 10 stock resonator, stock tips out the back. Beautifully finished in dark black with gold wheels or bronze wheels. Accents it perfectly. I like it. That sucker goes, dude. You cannot beat that in a V6 or a Inline-6. You can't beat that. They're quick. Twin turbo with Flowmaster Super 10. Enjoy it, guys. Guys, check it out. Chevy Silverados for days. So we did high flow cats on both. Each one has, we just did high flow secondaries on both of these trucks. And they're both straight pipe, wide pipe. All right, guys, go ahead. Who's gonna go first? It's gonna be him. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you. And then we'll have him second. Tell us which one does it better. This is a 15, this is a 2010. So the 15 first. So that's the 15. Let's see what the 2010 can do. That reminds me, I used to have the same truck. I miss my truck, man. Beautiful truck. I used to have a 2010 one, same color too. Here we go. Which one you guys like more, the 2010 or the 15? Let me know in the comments.